Okay, everyone, in this video I would like to share to all of you about how to make a room divider with a show shelf in SketchUp. Okay, first of all, you have to make a basic shape with a rectangle with any size, any length, and any width. Maybe you can set the 2600 millimeter and 500 of the width. Anyway, something like this. You can see then you can push it up. You can push it up around. Maybe you can set this about 550 millimeter, something like this. Then you can see, and then just make it group, and then you can make another rectangle again. You can make another rectangle again with this position anyway. So you can see the new rectangle, and then you have to push it again. You can push it until the top of the ceiling or the top of the wall in interior, and then you can make it group, and then you can adjust it as your desired. Anyway, you can adjust this divider. You can adjust this line to make arrangement of the so shelf. You can select this line, and then you can press move and press control to make it the bottom of thickness. And then you can set the 50. You can set the 50 millimeter, right? And then you can set the width of this show shelf. Also, you can set it around 300 millimeter. Okay, something like this. Then you can set the side thickness of a cabinet is around 50 millimeter also, and then you can set the thickness around 50 millimeter also, something like this. Okay, and then you can erase some unnecessary line like this. You can erase it, and then you can push it to the back around 550 millimeter. Okay, so you can see. Then you can and then you can make another shelf in this area. You can move this line, and then press control, and then just click it, and then you can press on red axis. You can adjust it, press to the right side around 400 millimeter. Okay, and then you can set the thickness of the top shelf with 50 millimeter. You can set top of the 50 millimeter, then you have to push it to the back around 550 millimeter. Okay, and then you can add more shelf in this area. Sorry, you have to delete unnecessary line for the first 10. You have to make a shelf. You can make a shelf again in this area, maybe to make a more functional space right here. You can set the 450 millimeter also in this area, and after that you can make a rectangle for the variation of the room divider. Just press offset and press click on the inside around 40 millimeter. Right? Then you have to okay, you can adjust the arrangement by erase it first. Then you have to push it to the front. You have to push it to the front around maybe 50 millimeter only. Okay, then you have to make it group, and you can make another stick again in this area. Okay, you can make it group and just make it component. Just create it. Then you have to move and press control it, and you can set the end of position as you want, and then you can set the value of count, arrangement count by type 5/, so you can see about automatically arrangement of this. Okay, and then you have to make it group and just assign a material. You can assign all of this to be a single material anyway. Then Anyway, you can add more shelf right here. You can add more shelf to make a more variation and more functional furniture or room divider with this arrangement. Anyway, you can select this object and press move and just press Ctrl to duplicate it again as step from the previous step. Okay, and then you can position in anyway this object is already prepared by downloading from the 3D warehouse. Anyway, then you can select this object and just press move and just position it on a correct position or appropriate position. So you will see this is a room divider with so shelf. Anyway, so it more functional on, or you can make a sailing object to make it more representative. Anyway, you can set the thickness and then you can see the interior modeling of this SketchUp. Anyway, okay, thanks for watching. Wait for my next video.